One of the annoying things about Minecraft on console is that you can't join any server that you want to. You can only join these featured servers. You can't, like on computer, add an additional server. Or can you? In this video, I'll show you how to get additional servers on console too. There are multiple methods, with some being much better than others, so stick around until the end. The first way that I'm going to show you is by using an app. This app is called BedrockTogether, and it's available on both iOS and Android. Here, you just enter the IP of the server you want to join, and then watch an ad to join it. The problem with this, though, is that, as you can see, you've got to watch an ad every single time you want to join a server, which can be quite annoying, especially as it doesn't always work on the first try. So sometimes you have to watch multiple ads just to join once. But now I've done that, if I go to my friends tab here, you will see on LAN games, BedrockTogether, and then I can obviously join that and join the server, like so. You might experience a few issues with BedrockTogether, especially if you're on iOS, so make sure you go over to info, and then troubleshooting. One of the main problems I've heard about, though, can be solved by making sure that on iOS, the BedrockTogether app has the granted permission. Well, because I'm already in the Friends tab, this leads me on to the next method, which only works for some servers, but this method is a lot better than the previous one. Now, as you can see, this isn't a normal friend. This is actually a dummy account that I set up to make it so that console players could join my server. All you would need to do is go to add friend, then search up alchmcjoiner, and then send this a friend request. Once you've done that, go back to the Friends tab, and then you should see this as a joinable friend. Obviously, this isn't just my server that you can do this for. You can do this for other servers if they've set this up as well. And if the owner of the server that you like to play on hasn't done this yet, make sure to show them the video that I've put on the screen right now, where I go over how to set this up, because this method would be a lot easier. Now, another method that you can use in the Friends tab is by using the Bedrock Connect dummy accounts. So, a similar process, you just go up to add friend, and then search up one of these accounts. I'm going to go for BCMain. Add it, and then, same thing again, go back. You may have to wait a while for it to show up, and then here, join to open server list. And then from here, you can enter the IP of any server that you want to. So connect to a server, and then obviously enter the IP, the port, and the display name that you want it to have. Now I added my server, alchmc, which you can join with the IP alch-mc.com and the default port 19132. This method is a good method, although if you're inactive for more than 7 days, Bedrock Connect will automatically unfriend you to make space on the friends list, but alchmcjoiner won't do that. But if you like the Bedrock Connect method, which I do too, but want to get around this maximum of 7 days, you can easily do that. Well, I say easily, it is easy if you know what you're doing. And it's changing the DNS settings on your console. Basically what that will do is change where these featured servers point to. So no matter which one of these you join, it will redirect you to the Bedrock Connect server that we just joined. And then obviously from there, you can join these if you want, or you can join other servers. Maybe try out this one. Now, the process of changing your DNS settings differs obviously based on which console you have. If you've got a PS5 or a Nintendo Switch, I'll make a tutorial for each of these on how to change the DNS settings. If you're on Xbox, well, you've got to go somewhere else because I don't have one of them. In the same place as the list of Bedrock Connect friends is a list of Bedrock Connect DNS servers. I'll link this in the description. I hope this video has helped you. If it has, please check out my server, alchmc, and check out these videos on how to change your DNS settings and how to set up the friends list method.